छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन
Hi, I am Meghna and welcome back to my YouTube channel Live It Up with Meghna Malik. And those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications. I get asked a lot of times that my photographs come out to be so well because I pose so well. So for this particular video, I am going to take you outdoors to a very beautiful location here near my house and show you some poses so that you can copy and look equally fabulous. And I'm very sure you will also be able to find some beautiful location near your house. And for this, I'm going to go drape a sari, get in the car and get going. There are three things you must keep in mind while getting clicked. First is confidence. Love yourself so that the camera loves you back. Second, a smiling face. And third, positivity. These are three things that make a person look extremely beautiful. And without wasting any more time, I'll see you in a while after getting dressed up. For the photo shoot, I have chosen a red and orange printed chiffon sari. I love flame colors and this sari is one of my favorites. I have paired it with a frilly crop top, a neck piece and a cocktail ring. I am in my car now and going to a beautiful location which is just 5 minutes away from my home. And this is it. Here we are. I have always liked this place and today's video has given me a perfect chance to shoot here. These tall dramatic teak trees are a perfect backdrop for my photographs. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the first pose, I have decided to stand in the middle of the road. Turn your body about 45 degrees to the side. Your right shoulder towards the camera. Plant one foot slightly in front of the other. It simultaneously slims the waist, lengthens the leg and makes you look taller. And see the result. I think it's wow. Look at these dried leaves. I love these leaves. So here I am for a casual, almost candid shot. Get a heap of these leaves in your hands and throw them up in the air happily for an excellent shot. Wow, I'm going to make this pic my FB profile for sure. Now this is my favorite pose. Let me take credit for it. I devised this pose. Try it, girls. You can't go wrong with it. It's so feminine and impish. Put one hand on the tree for the support and with another hand pretend to buckle your sandals and look up and see. Wow. Your photographs should ooze happiness and radiance. So for this pose, lean a little bit against the tree. Be at ease and look into the camera. Click this pic from different angles. And you know what? This pose comes out very well from all sides. Now this pose is a little tricky and you have to click it quite a few times. It is very breezy today and I guess I am lucky. Pleat your pallu to give it weight and take it high above your shoulders and drop it. Try it a few times and be sure to adjust the shutter speed of your camera. For the last pose, I am taking you to another location which is much more greener and see what I found. A small plant for my garden and I am taking it home. I do it all the time. For the last pose, go near a tree, hold a branch and pretend to pluck the leaves. Please give a thumbs up to my daughter too for shooting the video and take a close-up for the perfect shot. This is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section down below which pose did you like the most and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.